Well, welcome to my channel, everyone. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it. My channel, which I call Eating Thin with Gwen, is all about making healthy choices, living a healthy lifestyle, feeding our bodies what is good and nutritious, and not just our bodies, giving it what's good, but also feeding our minds and our soul and our spirits. To feed it, and that means we feed on the Word of God. That nutritious word that can only come from the Word of God. So today I'm having a delicious sweet potato patty. And I had a baked potato. I had fixed a couple of baked potatoes the other day, and I still had one left over. And I thought, what can I do with this baked sweet potato to do something different with it? And so I'm going to fix it into a patty. And what I'll do is I'm going to heat up the baked sweet potato because I'm going to put brown sugar in it, and I want the brown sugar to melt a little bit, to be able to melt. And then I'm also going to put a pinch of salt, stir it around real good, and then put it coat it with some cracker crumbs, just some regular saltine cracker crumbs, which I'm going to roll out and crush up, and coat them, put them in a pan, fry them for just a couple minutes on each side because the potato is already done. We just want to coat it and brown it on each side. And it comes out really delicious. So let me show you how I prepared it. Heat the sweet potato. I added a tablespoon of brown sugar, but you can add as much sugar as you like. Make it as sweet as you want it. Stir well. Add a pinch of salt. Now you're ready to form your patties. Clean hands. This one baked sweet potato will give about 4 patties, depending on how small or how large your patties are. I'm using plant-based butter, but you can use regular butter or whatever you like. This is about a tablespoon and a half of butter. Okay, it's been a few minutes and I'm turning them over. See how nice and golden brown they are? I did have to add a little bit more butter because the pan was a little dry. So I added just a little more butter for them to brown on the other side. And here we are, nice and golden brown. Now it's time to enjoy the fruit of our labor. Let's taste this. Dynamite. You gotta try it. You have the sweetness from the sweet potatoes and then the saltiness from the saltine crackers. That combination is so delicious. An excellent way to enjoy a different way of eating a baked sweet potato. Even if you don't bake it, you can steam your sweet potato or whatever if you don't want to bake it. But anyway, it's an excellent way to use a leftover sweet potato. Very good, very nutritious. I love it. Got to give it a try. I'm always saying 3 John 1 and 2, Beloved, I wish above all things that thou shalt prosper and be in health, even as your soul prospers. Don't you want to be in health? Don't you want to feel good? And just so that you can just enjoy, your life, because that's what God came to give us. He says, I came that you might have life and life more abundantly. But we got to do our part too. We can't just continue to put in our bodies all the bad stuff and expect good to come out. It doesn't work that way. So whenever we can, let's choose the healthy route, okay? Thank you for joining my channel. Please like and subscribe to it if you haven't already. I would appreciate it. Thank you. Have a fruitful day today, a wonderful day, a blessed day. God bless. So good. Almost missed that one. Good and crunchy on the outside. Very good.